Hi everyone, I'm back and I am going to do a 40 by 40 pour. Yes. But before I do that, I want to show you the updated list. March 2018, so thank you guys for chipping in to make this a little bit less expensive hobby. Now, this is a 40 by 40. I have a lot of blues and greens mixed up. And I have a new comb, ta-da, which I'm gonna try out in a bit. And I bought two, just to be on the safe side. Oop, got blue paint on it already. But this is what I'm gonna use. And I'm going to be doing a 4-cup pour. So I'll put this aside for a bit. And let's do the cups. Maybe 3. We've never done 3, have we? No. Let's do 3. So I'm going to start off with white, of course. And all the colors that you see here are all Winsor & Newton. And except the 2 dark blues, they're all home mixed. And the titanium, of course, that's comes straight out of the bottle. This is Prussian blue. And this one is Windsor blue. And these are all just mixed up, the phthalo blue and green and white. A little bit more green, a little bit more blue. This is a light blue I made, adding some titanium in it. So they're all pretty much, custom mixed. And that's what we're going for here. Some really nice sort of sea colors, something that resembles waves. That's what I'm going for. And as you can see, I'm pouring from up pretty high because I want the paint to sort of mix all by itself. And depending on how well it does that, I will see if I have to give it a little swirl with a stick. We'll see. That's that. Tiny little bit of light blue. That's that, and then some green. Green from up very high because I want it to really mix in there. There we go. So I think I have enough color in there. So we'll take this out right now. As you can see, it's doing lovely stuff in the cup. And we're going to put down our 40 by 40. You can almost see the whole thing. And I'm gonna do it quick. So that's 1, that's 2, and that's 3, maybe a little more like that. Then I'm gonna come in with a lot of white because I do want some sort of a negative space in the middle because I need some space to put the comb through, if you know what I mean. You can't have all the colors and then put the comb through. Well, you can, but that's not what I'm going for. Let's see if I got some more in here. There it is. Got a little bit more, but this has the silicone in it. So we'll just pour that around the back of the cups. And normally I don't like to leave the cups that long upside down because like I said before, then the silicone comes to the top already and then, you don't have that much of a explosion of cells, but we'll try. We'll see what happens. Ooh, I am really liking these colors. That's the thing which really, really pretty. That is really nice and fresh. Fresh colors. Wow, a lot of action going on. I think I'll have to do something. Scrape out those cups with a palette knife. Going all sides. Let it come down. Wow, beautiful colors. Let me do that. Then let it come down here. Making sure not too much comes off that canvas. And back. There it goes over the side. One more. There it goes. Okay, we got us a nice pour. Now I have to clean my hands. I sort of like it, but I'm going to go for the comb. So I'm gonna comb it from out of this center part. That is nice. And that is kind of different. Now I don't have much room. It's gonna come down. That's gonna come down. One more up here. And finishing off this one. That's kind of what I was looking for. I'm gonna give this a little torch. But we're gonna move it anyway because I don't think it's ready yet. So I'm gonna make it also. That's nice. And now I'm going to move it. So let's see what happens. Yep. Come on down. That is nice. That is kind of nice, but I'm not very happy with that. The big white space there, I'm not too fond of that. So what we're gonna do is look for my silicone. Here it is. And what I'm gonna do, I'm putting some silicone in my glove, and I am making sure that the teeth of the comb are covered in silicone. And then I'm gonna pull it. That's nice, yep. This I sort of like. I like how all those cells are lining up there. So we're going to keep that. This is pretty. I love the colors. This is something different. Let me see if I can still get some cell action out of it. No, not much. That's okay. So this sort of looks like it belongs there. But I would like to incorporate some little bit of like that. Yeah, I think that's it. And then of course here I got something going on which I don't really like. Let's see what we can do in this dark bit. Yeah, that gives it something special. Well, I think that's about it. What I want to do now is get a little brush, because I don't have a clue where all my palette knives are. Just have to do the sides a little wrong color. That's that. And those are done, so that's it. Now, I still think it misses something. Yeah, it does. So let me get something. I'm not sure, but I think I'd like to see it have a couple of, I don't know, dots or something. Just something. Yeah, I think that'll work. If they are going to stay nice and round, that is. No, they're not. I see that they're sort of going jaggedy. And I'm not really fond of jaggedy dots. So we'll have to do something to that again. I'm gonna make it go in there that we won't be able to see it, but like it goes along with the pattern, that's it. That's good. That's okay. Like that. Not too fond of this bit here. Let's see if we turn it around like that. That is interesting. But I think, no, I'm missing something. Really, I am. Wait a minute. Even though I might ruin it, I don't care. But this is sort of not doing it for me. You probably think, what are you doing? You're messing up the whole picture. No, gotta do something to it. Now I do need my palette knife. Okay, here we go. That's one. That's two. That'll go down. But I do see that I've pressed a little too hard there. Okay. That was just a little bit too white for me. Let me put it back up that way. And still is a little bit too much of the white. Let's give it a little bit more. Nah, maybe I can pull it down with the comb. Let's see how that works. Yeah, that's okay. And then I'm gonna tilt it. See what happens when I let it come down a bit. But then I'm losing a lot of nice pieces. And that's about it. See, it did get a little bit smaller, so that's okay. Nah, I'm not totally satisfied with it. It has some beautiful pieces like this bit here. I love that. That is beautiful. I love this little bit. I like it. I like the sills that are created down here. But this is just not doing it for me. Somehow, this here in the middle, don't like it. So maybe I'm just a little bit too, rounded up with wanting to make something so that it's gonna blow my own socks off. But we'll see. Okay, guys, this is it for today. Gotta wait another, I don't know how many hours before I can finish the vase. So, ooh, I like that lacing though. Okay, this is it. I'm not gonna touch it anymore. By tomorrow it might be dry. I'll show you a close-up. I can show you a little bit of a close-up right now. Usually that's when I mess up the back. Let's see if we can do that. There you go. Okay, gonna put it away now. Thanks all for watching. And I'll see you, I think tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Bye-bye. Uh-oh, can't close it. Because I got one painting in my hand. Sorry about that, guys. Gotta put it down. Okay, love you all to pieces. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.